Welcome to Moto Talk, where classic meets cutting edge. Today, we spotlight a machine that blends heritage with bold engineering, the 2025 BMW R18. This cruiser isn't just a motorcycle, it's a rolling tribute to BMW's legendary craftsmanship, brought into the modern era with grace, muscle, and unmistakable presence. Design and aesthetics. The R18's design is pure homage to the iconic BMWs of the past, especially the 1936 R5. But it doesn't live in the past, it evolves it. With a stretched, low-slung stance, exposed driveshaft, and double-loop steel frame, the R18 is both minimalist and muscular. The 2025 version adds subtle refinements like smoked chrome finishes, a reshaped fuel tank, and new color options including a stunning shadow black metallic. It's a bike that turns heads before it even starts. Engine and performance. At the heart of the R18 is the 1802 cubic centimeters air and oil-cooled Big Boxer Twin, still the largest boxer engine BMW has ever built. It delivers a thunderous 91 horsepower and 116 pound-foot of torque, most of which kicks in just above idle. The feel is pure, mechanical, and deeply engaging. The 2025 model benefits from enhanced throttle mapping, smoother low-end response, and slightly reduced engine vibration, without dulling the raw character. This isn't just about speed, it's about feel. Ride and handling. Despite its size and weight, the R18 handles with surprising poise. The telescopic front forks and cantilever rear suspension are tuned for plush highway comfort and confident cornering. BMW's Boxer layout keeps the weight low, helping with balance at slow speeds and stability at high ones. With a low center of gravity, it glides through curves like a much smaller bike. Whether cruising coastlines or conquering city streets, the R18 remains composed and commanding. Technology and features. The 2025 R18 stays true to its retro identity while subtly integrating modern tech. You get 3 riding modes: rain, roll, rock. Dynamic engine braking control, keyless start, and optional reverse assist. The analog speedometer is paired with a discrete digital display, offering clean information without clutter. BMW's optional packages add features like adaptive LED lighting, hill start control, heated grips, and a refined cruise control system. It's technology with restraint, exactly how purists want it. Comfort and ergonomics. Long rides are the R18's domain. The ergonomics are wide and relaxed, with foot-forward controls and a broad, supportive seat. For 2025, BMW has improved padding and lumbar support, along with better heat management for the rider. Optional floorboards and touring seats make it even more customizable. This is a bike meant for open highways, low revs, and endless miles. Price and values. The 2025 BMW R18 starts around $16,990, with plenty of customization options through BMW Motorrad's accessory catalog. From solo bobber builds to full-dress tourers, the R18 is a platform as much as it is a bike. It's not just about buying a cruiser, it's about owning a piece of riding heritage. Final thoughts? The 2025 BMW R18 isn't trying to outgun anyone, it's here to remind riders what timeless design and mechanical purity feel like. It's a bike for those who ride not just to go somewhere, but to be somewhere. Classic, bold, and unapologetically BMW, the R18 continues to define the luxury cruiser class. Thanks for riding along with Moto Talk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more two-wheeled legends.